Good morning. My name is Gustavo Diaz. I am studying level 2. I'm going to explain to you the connectors. Connectors in English grammar are basically conjugate words that are used for connection similar elements present in a sentence. There are different connectors that can be used for expressing your thoughts in a better way. There are different types of connector. However, today we are going to explain only the addition and condition connectors. Addition. We can use addition connector when we want to add or praise of another of to give extra information. We use plus for the moreover, in addition, also, as well as. Where are some examples? They like English and study a lot. The house is beautiful. Furthermore, the price is low. I play the piano and I also play the violin. As well as being helpful, Carmen is very practical. Condition. When we want to express the idea that something can happen only in certain conditions, we can use conditional connector as provide as long as that only otherwise. For example, you can play video games as long as you tie your room first. Unless the economy improve, interest rates will go down again. We need to hurry up, otherwise we'll miss the flight. Thank you.